I want to quickly introduce and explain this series to you. Explain because we had a hard drive failure and some of the footage is missing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up at the end of this with any bits that are missing and any bits that you guys request specifically and find out where we're actually at once we get to the end of this series. But I've made 3 or 4 episodes of this build series for this Axisflying Manta DC, and I flew this all throughout the summer and it's a brilliant build to do. So the other point I wanted to explain is it's my first ever build series on camera and I'm a little bit nervous and I'm a little bit lacking of energy at times at the start. So please do bear with me as it gets going and moving through the gears. Each episode will pick up a little bit, but like I said, we have sort of lost the end ones. So what I'm going to do is over the next few days, I'm going to release an episode a day, see where we're at, and if it's got the numbers and people are interested and people want to watch it, and then we can finish it off, not a problem at all. Obviously, if it bombs and dives, then I don't need to do it anyway. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. And there should be episode 1. I don't know. Peace out.